In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a conversation in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so let's dive right in. If you are using Slack for team communication, it's quite common to join different channels to stay updated. However, there are times when you might want to step back from a specific conversation or channel. Maybe the discussions are too frequent, or it's not relevant to your current work. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process of leaving a conversation in Slack, step by step. First things first, you need to select the channel that you want to exit. So open up your Slack workspace. You know, the one that you typically use for team chats and announcements. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. There you'll find a list of all the channels you're currently part of. Click on the specific channel you want to leave. This will direct you to the conversation thread, and you'll be ready for the next step. Now that you've found the channel, we move on to opening the Options menu. Look up at the top right corner of the channel window. There, you'll see a little icon that resembles 3 vertical dots. This is your More Options icon. Give that a click. It will open a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. Next, you'll want to click on Leave Channel. In that drop-down menu, scroll down a bit and you'll easily spot this option. Once you click Leave Channel, Slack will take a moment to process your request, and you'll be one step closer to exiting the conversation you no longer wish to engage in. Now here comes the final stage in this process, confirming your exit. After you click to leave the channel, a confirmation prompt will pop up on your screen. This is just Slack making sure that you really want to go through with this action. It's smart to double check, right? If you're sure you want to leave, go ahead and click either the Confirm or Yes button in that prompt. Once you do that, voila, you're officially out of the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully left a channel in Slack. It's a pretty simple process, but can really help declutter your notifications and keep your focus on the discussions that matter most to you. Remember, you can always rejoin that channel later if you need to. So, to recap, start by selecting the channel you want to leave, then access the Options menu using the 3 vertical dots at the top right corner, select Leave Channel from the drop-down, and finally confirm your exit with the prompt that appears. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance with Slack or other tools, feel free to ask in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found the information useful. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking!